Okay. What would you do if I told you I lived in this dark back alley? You see this shit? You see this shit? Look at this. I wonder what this place would look like 50 years ago. Fascinating. Damn. Let's walk right here. Look at all the abandoned shit. Man, this is Kinston for you. Kinston, North Carolina. And we're gonna go into the hood later tonight, this afternoon, on the Shine Street where Mom told me there was a shooting a few nights ago. We're gonna go check that shit out. Here's the streets. We're in downtown Kinston. But one block that way takes you into the hood. One block that way takes you into the richest side of the city. It's like having heaven and hell being neighbors. Imagine if you're living in heaven and the next door neighbor lives in hell. That's Kinston, North Carolina for you. This place fucking sucks. It's better than it was 10, 11 years ago. It was really bad then. I kind of miss it when it was really bad. When they had run-down buildings. The dark, gritty places. Now they're tearing all those down. That sucks. Makes this place just look sterile. And I'd rather have sick than sterile. Sick looking than sterile looking. At least when it's sick looking, it stirs the imagination. Like places like this. 50 years ago, can you see the lights on in this place? There's people walking through this alley, going shopping at this drugstore. Can you see that? You see this shit? You see shit? No. You see this shit? You see shit? You hear those motorcycles? Let me get my damn... No, I'll fall. My balance is atrocious. Look at that telephone wire falling.